Hey, Josh here with Vallely Sport Marine, Bismarck, and Minot, North Dakota. Today we're going to debut the all-new semi-rigid cab from Yamaha. This is the 2026 Yamaha RMAX Limited that we're showing this on. This new cab is available in a RMAX 2, RMAX 4, Wolverine X2, and a Wolverine X4. Of course, there's a couple different cab options from Yamaha. Everything's going to be the same other than the doors. You can do a full, complete, solid cab door, or this new semi-rigid door, which I really like. First and foremost, you're going to see that it's packaged with the Yamaha glass windshield with a windshield wiper, really nicely set into the pillars, fully sealed up, and that standard Lippert safety glass sealed up. It fits with your factory roof that comes with your unit, and as you can see, very nicely sealed up, no air gap through there as well. Next up, when we look at the new doors, so this is a semi-rigid door. It's going to use the factory bottom door that comes with the RMAX, and then when we put this on, you're going to see this fully seals nice and tight, and then adds a latch on the exterior of the door. So you don't have to, like the old one, you had to go inside to unlatch the door. This is going to be super nice on the outside. Opens up, and then you still use your factory door latch, factor audio if your side-by-side has that. And then you can zip out these window glass if you want open air, or zip them up. And then also, if you notice, this interior all has a rigid piece. So this is a super solid steel piece. So it's always like a full, complete door. And then in the off season, if you do want to take that off, you just pop this door off and you have your half door, just like the factory unit. This one we have built in with a full heater assembly. Keeps you nice and toasty inside. And you can see that's all set up with a high and low, and really sealed off the inside with that unit. The other nice thing I just like to notice when you shut the door here is just how nice that shuts. One touch, pop in, nice and sealed, and then all the way through this assembly, you see a nice seal all the way through. Back of the cab here, we're showing this with the rear glass with a slider. So there again, this all integrates in with the full assembly. This glass will slide from the inside as you like it, and all hard glass, all sealed up to your roof and to your B-pillar doors. Showing this with the optional Yamaha mirror kit as well, and as you can see, it integrates in very nicely with the door. Looks like an all seamless package. So if you have not checked this out, this is all new from Yamaha this year. We have them in stock, ready to go. Check us out at Vallely Sport Marine, Bismarck or Minot, North Dakota, or vallelymarine.com.